Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Joyce Bunde Talk Show. You are welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever Joyce Bundes is on board, you will be notified. My beautiful kings and queens, I'm wishing you a blissful day from this end. You guys are the best. You guys are doing a great job. You've seen the topic today, as I told you before, that we are going to be analyzing in this our channel, in this our joyful kingdom. We are going to be analyzing, we are going to be bringing out stories, analyze, criticize, and tell you where you went wrong, and they wet your own wet. So people, my people, today let's ride on. Abba. Una know wetin dey happen for our community. We don't decide say our community will be a better place. So, but some people don't decide say no. They know green say make our community be better. Dirty bear. And you don't dey curse people them. Yesterday I be shop. Your ex-daughter, Diope Sarah, I watch a video. He say the curse people then say you they ugly. My sister. He say they can see a picture. I say ma go look your picture. Only your picture. Dirty bear. You not even get right. I talk when I see a picture now, I talk say you not even get right for can't stand so no. You coach for the coach people. They say the coach and say they were what they jaga jaga. You don't really she don't so you look yourself for mirror. You see yourself. I beg. Before you want the coach people no, go stand for mirror. Look yourself from head to toe. How it day. Then you go know. We are wet so go strong for your mouth for talk. I don't want coach people because I don't feel create person. But stop for the coach people. Stop for the coach women them. Stop for the coach picking them. Stop for the coach people. Because yourself, you not supposed to even open up. Yourself so na first definition for coach. And for real, now only ugly person if you know person for the coach am. He go see another ugly person, you talk say the person be ugly. I said, Otibe, you look am. You say no, all your money is going for your shoe and your back. I see you watch that your ex-daughter a video. Sierra a video. I see all your bags and shoe them. Eh? That mommy the way where they go sell and this thing for Munya market no. Their shoe them better pass them. You know my people, una know that shoe the way they sell flow mark for people where they do Europe. That's the Korean market the way they make shoe them way. They decide shoe them way no. If you buy them for €1, 50 cents. If you buy them for €1, 50 cents, that shoe them way it the well am. For €1, 50 cents where they sell them for flow market. Any person we know. It is Europe, you go understand what I talk am. You go for this, you go buy plenty. You go buy plenty. And they shoe them what they say and so. Say the wear shoe, your money you go for your shoes and back, blah blah blah. Now which kind of bag where they ever can put them or shoe where people they don't see them. Now that shoe them for flow mark where they take €5, you buy like 5 or 10. Those people they go sell market for Africa, they buy them for they go ship them. You can't talk say, I dey sell market, I dey sell shoe, I dey sell this. Eh? So they analyze people that are dressing them. So they go to bring people there for outside, they analyze them. Look at your own dressing. You're dressing worse. If people they send Janja Moto no, at least they better. They see bear, I beg. Go look your picture them. Go look your picture them for Facebook. Una no know your name. Una go check them. Jaga picture them. Una doubt it I told una go for Facebook go search. Una know that issue that spot the way the well know. Una know when I go buy corn, the press and the one buy gari, una get for press and say may flop where. Una know how much it cost. Una know how much it cost. That €1, 50 cents. For can analyze people. How dare you? Una go for Sarah for Dubai channel. Una see. It see person when the coach Sarah don't analyze it very well. See yourself, Dirty Bear. My God. Dirty Bear. I don't understand. Dirty Bear, you must change. You must change for the Kosh people. Because we don't tire. Talk about people. Analyze them. Criticize them. Bring their negative side and their positive side. But you see that insult? It's a no, no, no. We will continue to analyze. We will continue to talk about you. To see and say no. We'll say and say you don't change. Because it is too much. It is too much. We must stop. Eh? Where to be all this? Every go on the corner. Dirty Bear. You go dizzy. In the way you don't analyze them. Now so I don't know an motivational speaker on a pastor on a preacher they are pastors I don't understand. They are preaching and the preacher. I don't know the kind God 27, my sister. Because I believe say if not the God with the capital big G, Yahweh, there's Jehovah Shammah, the omnipotent, omnipresent God. You know, if he send you for a mission, if they may come for a special kind of Kosh people, God need to do so. Enough he save you for that water, for that Mediterranean Sea. May it come for kind of Kosh people. They are God now. You get question mark. So I get a God for the ask people say they know God. It is a God never touch our life. So they talk about grace. Do you know people grace that they have? People that don't pass through that grave. Where God don't save them, no, don't take the opportunity no. For can change life, that they do well, that they change life, they do things them, that they touch life them. But you don't decide say no. You can't stand for 4 hours for come out and insult people. They Kosh picking them. In nonsense creature, in nonsense soul. The Kosh women the way they feel born you. Bring mom, die mommy them. Ma tell you something, die mommy the dead cannot speak. They don't feel who can talk from themselves. You get conscience. When you go for your background, when you go behind no. When you off this your camera no, I beg you should not have everything. Put down your pride and follow the right track. Or when you go for back, go talk to the people the way they don't insult them. Say, I'm sorry, because let me tell you something. Word is power. Prayer is powerful. People have been praying for you. You have caused so many pains to the children, parents, mothers. Go and ask for forgiveness. Tell people say you don't stop. All these things the way the question. So trust me, all these sunrise the way the question say, you know if you answer them. Only the facts say you know if you answer them, you already answer them. Because they touch you. And when you stop, they go stop for the troll, for the talk for you. You say, no, if you answer sunrise, but they are giving you content every day. Anytime they want to correct you, they bring out story from Mediterranean Sea. You be pathetic. I best stop being pathetic. We don't tie that story. We don't tie that story where you walk a water. So that you can't show the talk say if we water no swallow, no fit swallow you. Who be you if you swallow him? Who be you, bonbon akoleze? This small bonbon. You do small, what swallow, you swallow will flop. Now, choose they talk, say people where they small no. If they not talk, they don't see them. You don't inflict pain for so many souls. You don't send people to depression. I know keep quiet, may continue to talk about people. Say they not swallow you. Yeah, what not swallow you will swallow. You will swallow you say where to be our aim. People don't stand up for say one stand and we so. For so they give you a little bit of your worth. I don't say they talk so when people don't work on that water no. They say 50% of that people they work on that water no. Their hair not they okay. Their hair not they all right. 10% or they for 50% or 10%, 40% they feel be okay, but 40% or 10% or they know they okay. You say you know say no, what you are doing is wrong. Not the pretend they say everything is okay. Every day take camera fit talk. Anyone fit take camera talk everything behind the scene no. They are weeping in pains. No, not only you want don't pass that route. Where you kind of leave people make the drink water keep cup. You know, we are tired. We don't be tired. Anytime they want to talk, you will bring that story. If I pass water no show me where are you. Everybody have a grace. Everybody, my grace is not your grace. And if my mission is not your mission. So look at his to say now, you are all man no God, my sister. All man no God. Any man get own grace, any man get a purpose for this earth. But I don't believe that God don't send some people that don't say their own purpose. That say no, you can't bring pains and sorrow to the people, to the creator, to the creation. You don't create people for your own image and likeness. You know, send us, you can't insult them because you cannot create anyone. And you can't stand talk so. My sister, I'll be so happy, say. They say, Mommy, they talk say no. They talk say, Mommy. They say, Mommy. They used to say a parable, say no. Pikiwe say, Mommy no sleep. He no go to sleep, he too no sleep. But for the one we talk, I say, Mommy, to say, Piki no sleep, no. He the Mommy too no sleep. Dupe. Ciara for Dubai, I congratulate you. You don't really learn work for your mommy. You give your mommy na bomber to bomber, bomber to bomber. They say no, you don't move to a match. I don't leave you. They say, I don't leave you for Ciara. Because no, you don't move to a match. Ciara, continue, we are behind you. Bomber to bomber. Where they give you. Mommy, bring on live no. Say no. You don't really water ground for us, you know. For we all the new sunrise them. Wait, talk them. Some people can't stand talk. And we don't come with courage, with power, with strength and everything. You must change. Because change is all we ask. Are we asking for too much? Ciara, you learn correct work for your ex-mommy. If you give your mommy na point by point. All that coach Mama Atalaku, coach Bija Benjamin, coach Kobos. Fire the goal, Ciara. Give it to her. That people they start to say stop insulting. Other people they to say Ciara stop for the insult. I beg. All that people them. That way be the coach mommy Brie, the coach Kobo, the coach Taraku. One another ever stand the TB say stop, not the coach people. Now no one side open na mouth for top because I say a child a pikin don't rise again, mommy. English people on another statement they say do unto other what you want other to do unto you. Yeah no. Ciara they give you back your word bomber to bomber. Go answer her. Since we don't call your name, we can't answer, you know one can answer you. Because you know so you fear. 1 minute, my people. Ma tell you now, that God will the server no. You know if you pass God. You are not bigger than God. God give you a purpose in life to save, to impart order. You see, if you can stand talk, I don't know what appreciate one be or now wait. More just you wait to see what they do. Would you watch you for back? As you analyze different people their life, now so we're going to continue for you. Say, I go grant you. If the person use my word, I go do so. Would you watch? Would you watch you where? Your own soul is too much. Who press me God, Papa God, to press me arrest you. So that you go change. God don't arrest so many souls. When you too, God will arrest you. Why you coach picking them? Even if you want coach self, and if you leave picking them, because picking them no, you're not supposed for the talk about children. Children are precious souls. Even if you want coach people. Some kind of coach and any normal person will use them. Now we keep saying only coach are the coach people or this and that. Words are powerful. Likewise prayer. What kind of thing this? Ha! My people, then before I even leave now, no be by force for bleach, oh. No, now all man bleaching the answer for their body. Ha! No, now for my mop on 1 year, oh. Say people they bleach. They bleach their finger. You go for this side Coca-Cola Fanta. You go for this side Coca-Cola Fanta. If you bleach, you know the answer your body, leave bleaching for people who are correct for their skin. Leave bleaching aside. You go see some black charcoal go carry bleaching. You don't know what to correct for your skin. When I know say person way small and bonbon alcoholize no. When you bleach no, it continue. It is small. When you bleach, when bleach not fine for your skin, especially when it's small, bleach not fine for small people. When they get small body, they make it be very cranky and more ugly. Una go see them. Una go check them. My people. More not the support wrong thing because of say one you follow some people for back. More not the support wrong thing. See I thank God for Sarah. If you just follow what you do, but thank God say no, that dirty don't fall for your eye. He don't realize himself. And he take a humble soul for person for realize the second time I'll talk of public say, I don't cause you person, I'll be sorry. Sarah, you are a beautiful soul. You did wrong and you realize yourself. Thank God say you don't live evil compound. I believe say no. Everybody where they can't listen to now, so it be happy because say no. You don't take a wrong track. You don't take a right track. And the others them. All that part when I take them on, and she don't have everything. And not say no, dirty Ben, not only you one there for a circle. There are many people. Her circle is many. There are toxic people in her circle. Those people where they encourage you for background, say do so, talk so. One day they feel happy, they go change fake profile, that they can't insult people, they can't comment. He will not take you anywhere. He won't take you nowhere. Now go for Facebook. I see some posts. I know we'll talk about that post today. About Lizzie London. The Congressman boss. I see some posts. Some person go do fake profile. Can't stand the right nonsense because of say he said he talk with Ali. My sister. Ma tell you now. Not by force or say you go be popular. People then the way they get their grace as you talk and dirty bear. Say grace. People they get grace when no. So when they stand, you know if you stand. When I go read that comment, person already should not say go take another person picture, they talk nonsense. How dare you say they talk of Ali, this and that? If you say no, person when they talk, I used to talk of people, say person passing will carry it back. If it too pain you know, go make your own video. Talk with the person to find your own connection. See, you want get connection. And more on stuff for the camera for fake profile on account in a real name. My name na Joyce. I am Joyce. My Facebook name na Young Joyce. And I hide my identity. And I hide my name. More than not going to create fake profile. Wait this, Edward this. When I'm woman, the bear man picking name, when I beg fake profile, can insult people. If you know say a fear person, come up where real name can talk. Not for the talk that nonsense because when I there for evil compound, when one can't talk, I say come up for una mom na evil. The people don't coach people for January to December. I don't see one person can't stand for talk saying I want defend, I want defeat this, I want debunk this is where them. Now when mommy be stand. And Sierra don't stand at your own daughter. They say daughter don't rise against mother. Bravo, Sierra. We there behind you. Now you say no your mommy. So if you talk, anything will talk, I will go believe and because say no. Now you belong first study, you don't be with ye. So anything we talk now will not say that's true talk because you don't really know your mommy, but know how it day. As if it doesn't be una boss. Who make you boss? My sister, my brothers them. Dirty Ben are very jealous soul. All coach way there for your body. Now when you coach another people, you are depressed. You go the coach Ataraku, the coach Mommy Brie, coach Kobos. People the way you don't even stand for their face. That coach way don't coach all people. It's not coach way there for your skin. Now so talk am. Your daughter don't talk am. See as you take a move chop for your friend in mob where the struggle. You go to talk about a brand ambassador waiting. You make an he lost his job. You move job for you work and you talk about even Mama Ataraku. As the Mama Ataraku you get ambassador Jesus, you crazy, you want your craze. Now so they pain you. Now you don't get your own, at least we'll get peace. Your own for the worker, they see the negative side. Your own say, for the worker, they talk about the negative side for people. You know, see nothing good for people. Now, see them that way, I don't see move, don't enter Netflix. Now, they kind of news and don't want the year. Say, no, our own people, so that they go ahead. I see I see her for, this thing, move will come up for June. And I will see I'm eat the day. Now, that kind of news the way if we encourage people to say, no matter where you are, you can make it in life. When you be determined. And when you get a pure heart, a beautiful soul, God will continue to bless you. Now I tell and say, I continue to tell and say, no. They see bear, some people, some of us, the grace will carry, no. No me our classmates. The grace will carry for our body, no me our age mates. What grace high. See that kind of news, why you not go blog and say, no, nothing this so, you see I'm so, our own Cameroon person, if they go ahead, we only see good things that happen for our community. People, they do things to impart lives. But you don't decide to say, no, I go put them into depression so that more one should don't want the one year say, now so they rarely they sing choir for some people say don't go commit suicide because of saying an insult. Thank God they say This soldier, that sunrise is the way, that sunrise is the way they don't call her no. They don't come with power, they come with blood for their eye, they can't strong. They can't spiritually back up. They don't be okay for the way we know. You know, even if you don't answer them, they don't she don't tire no. You will start. Try not to be bittered. Eh? Dirty bear. Now, not be different people don't be bad ambassador before you want can stand. Now you can't claim now you start them. Eh? Papa God. I the pray say may God so may open other people there for your eye where they insult people, where they see where they do wrong. May open their eyes, you don't open your daughter eye. Yeah? So that no, then too they can't change, they can't stand up, so your own soldier to go rise against you. Who they talk now because of life for talk. They say no, when you go for even an army man or then all man you go for war front. Some people in there they will go for war front, so when they do they touch computers, so when they do it, they will give courage. So now we don't go for war front, they in front for war front. Why the others say now they will encourage, they will talk the good things the way they happen. No, na all man. So yeah, I be happy, say. Now so say your own soldier don't rise against you. Your soldier, your daughter, it don't rise against you. So, my people, Dope Sarah, oh my God. I am loving your show right now. I love your show. Continue. They behind you. We they behind you. Continue for the analyze, the expose evil. Because we must stop all this negativity. My people, today na Saturday for my sites, for Bundesland. I don't know for your end, whether na Saturday or na Sunday. But I must tell you one word for today. Keeping safe is real. Keeping safe is important. May you continue for keep safe. Una protect una self. I'm gonna continue for the see other negative things. Una they give us the vibe. Say, you don't see this in Joyce Bundes. I see something so you don't see them. You know, if you don't hear what they happen for community. Una bring the story with the weight. We go analyze their words. We go tell them who say they go wrong. We need to fear nobody because say no. They talk say no. When person tell you say no street, you tell you say no. You don't work out for that street. So my people. Again, one love to my people, for all my new subscribers, for the one who don't share, don't like my video, one love. For what this joyful kingdom, we give a juicy gift, a juicy gist. And when the matter enter ground, we must analyze. We must analyze. So, my people, I will leave for now. Next video will be bomb. So, stay put, stay on top, because now all na so they make it to our channel the boom. I love you guys. One love. Wanna continue for the share, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Say you don't know about Joyce Bundes, that lady for Germany. She's on bots. Boom. One love, my people. Thanks you guys. I will continue for love you guys because you guys are the best. See you for my next video. Continue to be you. Okay. Thank God, my people, because our life, our kingdom, our community will be great by God's grace. Yes, I say by God's grace. Yes, my people. I love you guys so much. Yeah. Ciao, ciao.